I'm gonna show you how to make aguachile my way. This dish is originally from the west of Mexico, specifically Sinaloa state. Traditionally, the shrimp, cucumber, and onions are marinated in lime juice with green chili pepper, cilantro, and salt. But because I'm doing it my way, I'm adding another ingredients. I have 1 pound of jumbo shrimp. Do a butterfly cut. I'm using half fresh lime and half concentrated. 1 cup total. Make sure all the shrimp is covered with lime juice. Let the shrimp soak in the lime juice for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's make the aguachile. 7 serranos, 2 jalapeños. Cut everything in small pieces to put it in the blender. Poblano pepper. A little bunch of cilantro. Fresh mint. Fresh oregano. 1 cup of lime juice. Season with salt. The shrimp turned white, it's cooked and ready to plate. I sliced mini cucumbers, radish, and red onion. Squeeze 1 more lime. And then we add the aguachile. And more lime juice. Eat it with a tostada. Enchilado. Spicy. Woo! Ay, güey. Pretty good. Yeah.